Tired of feeling like your money is running the show instead of you? Let's flip the script and take control of your personal finances using the surprisingly powerful tools within QuickBooks. First things first, whether you're using QuickBooks Online or desktop, you need to set up your personal accounts. Think of these as virtual folders for your money. Create checking and savings accounts for your bank balances, then add credit card accounts for tracking spending. Crucially, establish income accounts. Label them for salary, side hustles, or investment income. Lastly, create expense accounts and get super granular. Categorize them into housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and everything else that eats into your funds. Now for the fun part, recording transactions. Every time money comes in or goes out, enter it into QuickBooks for income. Select the appropriate income account, the source, and amount for expenses. Carefully categorize them under their respective expense accounts. Monthly reconciliation is key. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks or manually enter your statements, then match the transactions in QuickBooks to your actual bank statements. This ensures accuracy and catches any errors or missing entries. Time to get serious about budgeting. Create a budget within QuickBooks by setting spending limits for each expense category. This helps you visualize where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back and save. QuickBooks' real power lies in its reporting. Generate income and expense reports to see exactly where your money goes each month. Analyze these reports to understand your spending habits, identify trends, and make informed financial decisions. Want to go even further? QuickBooks allows you to track your investments, manage loans by recording payments and interest, and even prepare for tax season by categorizing tax-deductible expenses. Although it is mainly for businesses, you can make the software fit for your personal finance goals.